Queens. So this is Nubia. This is not something that I normally would do, but I've noticed that since I started picking up again with doing videos, so start with some powder here, that my face is always shiny when I want to do a video. So I just decided to just sit here and let's see my 5-minute routine, because I'm not really a makeup person. I just kind of use, the powder here is different. But I just want to show you what I do when I have an appointment and I want to do something really quick. So what I usually do, I don't like to leave the house without having on at least my eyebrows. So I'm using this mirror over here because it's easier. And I probably need to start using pencil, but I've been using powder for so long that it's just easy for me to do. Look, this is the kind of tube. Oop, almost gone. It's hard to find it when you have the same one that you've been using forever. That when you try and find the original one, of course they don't sell it anymore. So I am in New England, and this is just something that I would normally get from CVS, if you guys have a CVS. So I found that as I get older, my eyebrows are less and less. So this is one of those things that if I don't wear anything else, I will at least put on my eyeliner. So that's done, so you can at least see that I have some eyebrows. So I just recently got my my hair retightened, and I had to go to a new person, and because my loctician is out on maternity leave. So that was a drive, about an hour to get there. And then of course I was lost, so she had to come get in her car and find me. I was parked in the CVS in one side of town, and she was looking for me in the CVS at a different side of town, and then, you know, she ended up finding me, and I followed her to her studio, and she did my retighten. So for this one, because I had like some new growth, about 2 inches of new growth, waiting to find my, somebody to do my hair, and it took longer than the normal 2.5 to 3 hours, so I'll just leave it at that. But she was very sweet, and we had a really good conversation for the time that I was sitting in her chair. You really get to know somebody. So then I do my mascara really quickly, and then I guess actually this seems like it's probably going to be under 5 minutes because I really just do something really quick. Oh, and the other thing I'd like to use is my eyeliner. And I'm just kind of old school. I don't even put foundation, all those other creams. My favorite thing to put on my face, coconut oil. So I'm sure that there's some of you that might say, what? Coconut oil? That's it. And I am closer to the 60 mark than I am 50. So that's just one of those moments where I'm just being honest, because I hardly ever say how old I am. But I'm actually excited that I get to live this long, still be here, be in good health. So now I'm just going to put on a little bit of this gold color on top of my, what is it? Like I had like a lip color gloss on. And sometimes if I don't like the first color, I'll add a second color. So this is a little bit more pop of a color, pop color, right on top. Sometimes I'll use a lip liner, but not always. And 4 minutes, there we go. So what I want to do now is just finish my look by taking out my hair, because I washed it once I get home, and I'll have a little bit of a waviness. So I'm going to pause it right here, and then I will come back and for the finished look. And I'm back. So my hair is out nice and full. I think I might just do a little bit of a spritz. This spray that I got from arganoil and Moroccan oil. And then I might just touch up my edges with some edge control on both sides, even though you can't see this side. And there you go, voila. That was fast. I like it. It gives me some fullness. So for all my locked girls out there, women out there who are over 50, heading fast into 60, and also I'm a veteran, so, and also a homeschool mom. So this is my look. Not too much. Kind of a minimalist when it comes to the makeup thing. But that's what I have for you today. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for whenever I decide to do another makeup tutorial. If there's something you'd like to see or something that you can add to me, leave a comment in the comment section. So, to all my little homeschool moms, oop, that's my little thing sticking out there. This is Nubia of NubianQueen Nation. Leave a question at the bottom. All right, peace and blessings for now.